To accelerate change and make India's vast data accessible to both the public and policymakers, Niti Aayog announced it would build NDAP, the National Data Analytics Platform. NDAP would be home to government data where anybody can access, analyze, and visualize government data sets. Generally, we perceive government tech as something that would be slow to build and difficult to use. But we work with Niti Aayog and ID Insight to upend this and bring product thinking into the heart of the Indian government. In this video, we show you how we worked with Niti Aayog to go from an abstract vision document to a live product in a matter of 3 months.
In the 50s, India was a country with one of the best statistical systems in the world.
Therefore, this data will fuel change. It will enable machine learning. It will enable a vast number of our young startups today to use a huge amount of data to spearhead change.
These are the futuristic type of big data which we as a nation in India have only started looking at or scratching the surface of this, and a lot more can be done in this respect.
Building a home for Indian government data is an ambitious task. So we started out by zeroing down on what this actually meant. We started speaking to various stakeholders like policymakers, researchers, government officials on what they expected of a platform like NDAP. It was immediately clear that everybody wanted something different. Everybody was aligned on what the product should be in the next 4 to 5 years. But what about first 4 to 5 months? While some wanted the ability to find and discover the right data, others wanted the ability to merge and slice and dice data, and few others wanted the ability to visualize data. After a week of research and talking to key stakeholders, we were ready to start our design sprint. Our first step was to run an alignment workshop where all participants surfaced their challenges around data, and together through a note and vote process, we aligned on common goals for NDAP. We did that by writing down how might be statements which reflected the problems that we're trying to solve, sprint questions which highlighted what is that we wanted to test with users, and a 2-year goal which identified very clear definition of what the product would be in the next 2 years. With everyone in alignment now, we were ready to start creating solutions. This is where typically a design team would go off on their own to come up with design solutions. But at Parallel, we believe everybody is a designer. The goal of this exercise was to help all participants create their version of NDAP. We did that by helping them take notes and doodles, but slowly ramped up to creating really detailed sketches using the 4-part sketching process. At the end of this session, every participant in the design sprint had their own detailed concept sketch of what they wanted NDAP to be. On day 3 of the design sprint, we revealed the sketches to the larger group. To avoid biases, first everybody voted without talking, and then we created a heat map of the best ideas everybody liked. Post that, we had further discussions and deliberations on the different sketches and how they would solve problems to together arrive at one sketch that would form the base of the prototype that we are going to work further. We took these sketches and created a very detailed product storyboard which had all the key elements that we wanted to prototype. Next, our designers took the sprint sketches and storyboard to create a high-fidelity interactive prototype for NDAP. We then took this prototype to a group of researchers, which was the first audience NDAP wanted to target. The purpose of this testing to figure out whether we achieved the goals that we set out for, and most importantly, what did not work. We took this insight straight into the next week and started the day by running a short workshop to reflect on the insights that came up from user test. After that, we were ready to start working on a second round of prototyping and testing. The team worked on a new set of sketches based on the user test and created another prototype that we wanted to test again. This time it was much more detailed and focused on solving the problems that came up with. We then took this prototype to a new set of users. This time these were government officials and policy experts, another one of NDAP's key audience segments. The goal of taking the prototype to a new audience was to see how they would react to the prototype, and apart from that, also validate if we were able to solve the problems that came up in the earlier round of testing. After polishing the prototype a bit more, we handed off everything, including the design assets, the prototype itself, and some insights that came up from the user test to the technology team. With a detailed prototype in their hands, they were able to write down technical specifications really quickly and get started with the development. The first version of NDAP just went live in a matter of 3 months from we started the design sprint. We can't wait to see how users react to it and hear their feedback. This is how design sprints helped NDAP to go from an abstract vision document to a live product in a matter of 3 months using design sprints. We're constantly creating new videos around product design and innovation. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel to hear more from us.